Hey guys, Yan Sikorski here again. Today I want to share with you my top 7 ideas for the next trading session. First of all, like as usual, let's start with euro dollar. In euro dollar we can see after big up movement right now price stay in important consolidation between 1.3020 and 1.1280. That's why I will expect what the price with an impulsive, if price with an impulsive movement up formed breakout of resistance level, then pullback, it will be my entry points for a long. In this case, my first target will be around 1.3080, 1.3070, 1.3080. Another scenario, if price with an impulsive movement down from breakout of support level, then pullback, reversal model, it will be my entry points for a short. In this case, my first target will be around 1.1250, 1.1240. Another idea is in a pound USD. In a pound USD, if we look on our chart, we can see how price stay in important consolidation too. That's why the same idea in a pound USD. If price with an impulsive movement up formed breakout of resistance of this consolidation, then pullback, reversal model will be entry points for long. In this case, my first target will be around 1.2760. Same scenario for short. If price with an impulsive formed breakout of support levels and pullback, it will be nice opportunity to take a short trade, and my first target in this case will be around 1.26. Another idea, USD Canadian dollar. If we look on a higher time frame, like in this case daily frame, we can see price stay in important support level around 1.34. If we look on a lower time frame, like in this case M15 time frame, here we can see how price stay in important consolidation between 1.34 and 1.3430. That's why the same scenario here, if price with an impulsive up from breakout of these resistance levels and pullback, reversal model means for me entry points for long, and in this case my first target will be around 1.35. The same, if price with an impulsive break support of this consolidation, then pullback, reversal model will be my entry points for short. If I short this currency pair, my first target will be in this case 1.3350. Another idea is Australian dollar. Look on Australian dollar. Let's start with daily frame. On daily frame we can see very important resistance level around 0.7020. Right now price stay in this important resistance level. If we look on a lower time frame, like in this case H1 time frame, we can see price stay in important consolidation between 69.60 and 70. That's why we will expect, if price was an impulsive from breakout of support, then pullback, it will be nice opportunity to take a short. In this case my first target will be around 69.69 for sure. If price was an impulsive up formed resistance of this consolidation, it will be, and then pullback, reversal model will be a nice opportunity to take a long. In this case my first target will be around 0.7050. Another idea is gold. In a gold, here we can see how price get a bounce from important support level around this important support level was around 60.70 and 60.80. Right now price stay inside of important level. Right now also we can see how price form consolidation. That's why we have to wait when price with an if price with an impulsive down from breakout of support, this consolidation will be nice opportunity to take a short. In this case my first target will be around 60.80, 1680, and if price with an impulsive from breakout of resistance and then pullback, reversal model will be a nice opportunity to take a long. In this case my first target will be around 17.05. Oil. Look at oil. Oil try to fill the gap. The level before the gap around 32, and right now price, let me go into this lower time frame, like H1 time frame in this case. In this moment price stay in some sort of triangle. That's why I will expect, if price with an impulsive movement, with an impulsive up, that's why if price with an impulsive up from breakout of resistance of triangle, then pullback. It will be nice opportunity to take a long trade. In this case, my first target will be around $41 per contract. If price within impulsive down from breakout of support of the triangle, then pullback, reversal model, it will be nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, my first target will be around 38.50. In SP 500, the same picture. Right now, if you're looking in a higher time frame like H4 time frame, right now price stay in important. Right now price stay in important resistance level around 3,200, and in this case, it's pretty depends on how price will react for this level. If price, let me look on a lower time frame. Yeah, if price with an impulsive movement up from breakout of resistance, these consolidations, and pullback, hold above 32.20 level, it will be nice opportunity to take a long trade. In this case, your first target will be 32.60. The same picture if price was an impulsive down from breakout of this support of these consolidations and pullback, reversal model, will be nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, your first target will be around 31.40. in S&P 500. Well guys, I think this idea will be helpful for you and help to make money on next trading session. Hope you enjoy. See you in next video.